Hello, it's Alex Fox here. I'm just popping in to let you know that we're on the brink of hosting the first Nailympia in 2025. This is going to be at Nailympia Anaheim on the 23rd and 24th of February. If you pop to the website www.premieranaheimshow.com, go to the top menu that says education, and the drop down menu will give you the word competitions. If you go to that page and scroll down, you'll find Nailympia, and then you'll find this fabulous document that you can download. This has got all the rules and regulations and score sheets, everything to show you for the Nailympia competition that's going to be happening in Anaheim. So we've got 7 live competitions and 5 turn-in entries. And this is where it gets confusing with Nailympias, because some have turn-ins and some have online for their nail art categories. Anaheim is a turn-in. This means that for those 5 turn-in competitions, that they must actually come to the venue, and that can either be couriered by the 14th of February or bring yourself to the arena. So what we've got is a fantastic document that will give you all the information you know, including all the general rules and regulations. I just want to go through a quick score sheet, if you like, to show you, because we've updated rules, we've updated score sheets. So to give you an idea, gel polish manicure, which we're hosting for the first time in the USA actually, now has 5 judges, when in the past it only had 3. So we've got Judge 1 on polish, top gloss and high shine. Judge 2 on nail length and cuticle area. Judge 3 on hairline and free edge. That's the thickness of the free edge, is the hairline. Judge 4 will do the nail shape and smile line. And Judge 5 will do the white extension, application of the white, and the nail bed application, which is the pink, clear or camouflage. So that is what you will find. You'll find the score sheet broken down, but you'll also find fabulous information like the time that you can report to come and set up, the briefing time, the competition time, and the judging time. So everything you need to know is on this fantastic document, including your task and time and goal. So for example, 45 minutes to complete 1 left hand of French gel polish and right hand in red gel polish. The competitor chooses if they want to use cover for the nail bed and or transparent pink or clear on all 5 nails. This competition is done on natural nails only, 45 minutes, both hands on a model. The model is to come with manicured nails. Prepare the nails at home or in your hotel beforehand. Nails ready for gel polish must be enhanced and coated with any type of gel polish soak-off system product. No design element is required, just a picture-perfect, flawless set of 10 nails. No manicure procedure is necessary during this competition. For 45 minutes, 2 hands, 1 in red and 1 in French. So it goes on to tell you about the polish and high shine, what is allowed. So for example, allowed in this competition, cream, lotion, oil and polish dry products may be used. Water, soap and canned air may be used in finishing. E-files are allowed. A UV LED lamp needs to be brought by the competitor. Any soak-off gel polish system in a bottle is allowed. Rubber base and normal base coats are allowed. Use white soak-off gel polish in a bottle. No jars or tubes, please. On the free edge for the French. So that's a white soak-off gel polish in a bottle for the free edge. Use transparent pink, clear or cover soak-off gel polish in a bottle for the nail bed. Use a transparent soak-off top coat gel polish in a bottle for the finish for your high shine. A classic bright red soak-off gel polish in a bottle is recommended. A thin nail art brush to create a smile line is allowed. So that gives you all the ideas of everything that you can bring and do for this competition. It also has a long list of not allowed. So it's a very, very important document. Please do make sure that if you're coming to compete this year at Nailympia Anaheim, Nailympia Orlando or Nailympia San Antonio, the 3 that will be hosted in the USA, that you download these PDF documents from the Premier Show site before you compete. One other thing I wanted to go through was to let you know that we've changed our, beforehand we used to do acrylic sculptured nails and gel tip and overlay. We've changed that. From now on, Nailympias will offer acrylic competition style nails, pink and white. You choose whether you sculpt or tip and overlay. So we are going to be hosting a UV hard gel competition in Anaheim and a liquid and powder acrylic pink and white competition. And either of those you can choose to sculpt or tip and overlay. That is your choice. So a quick one with this. So the acrylic nail enhancements created by the competitors are to be competition style nails on the model's left hand, 5 nails. The competitor can choose only to work on nail forms or traditional tips. The competitor can choose to create classic French style, no camouflage, or French with a nail bed elongation. Transparent pink, clear and camouflage cover need to be used for all 3 nails. So you can mix those, but there is, you can mix your camouflage, but bring them mixed, bring them in the pot and ready to go. So this is the bit that's tricky and different. 3 moons have to be sculpted on the 3 pink and white nails. We don't mind what you create under your 2 red nails, because remember, in a liquid and powder acrylic competition style nail, we have 3 French nails, and then the thumb and the pinky are a red cream nail polish over the top. So importantly, it does say, we don't mind what you create under your 2 red nails, because you will not be scored on that. You'll be scored on the finish of the red nails. No moon is necessary on those nails, but 3 moons are necessary on those nails. You now have scores for moons, or lanulas as we call them. So you've got 90 minutes to complete that hand. And we now have 10 judges, 10 different judges for that competition. And so if we look at Judge 9 will do cuticle area, and then Judge 9 will also do the moons. The 3 moons need to be in a softer white than the white you are using for the French extension. Shape needs to match the cuticle area. Index and ring fingers the same, middle finger slightly bigger. They should look natural and consistent. Moons should be blended towards the cuticle with no ledges or visible gaps. So that's a very, very different way of doing a Nailympia pink and white competition. So please, please make sure you download the rules, read them, and understand that now we're expecting moons on these competition nails, and they will bring in scores. So I hope this video's helped. Feel free to ask me any questions. Nailympia@gmail.com is my email address, and I'm very happy to take any questions and support helping through this journey. And I hope I get to see you at Nailympia Anaheim. Thank you. Bye-bye.